me feel for say? Say what you feel for say?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. This video is all about Tevania opening all her gifts, all her birthday gifts, telling you guys thank you. If you had watched my previous video, you would have seen where I advised you guys that this video completely has no audio, and so I will have to be doing some voiceover on this. However, I do wish you still enjoy the video. Go ahead and hit that like button, comment on the comment section, and share. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Let's get straight into the video. So here we literally got back from the birthday party. Tevania is introducing the hell out of this video. I wish you guys could actually hear it. It was so sweet. You would swear that this was actually her YouTube channel, which she wants so bad. So I just wanted you guys to see what we were setting up. Like she was just going on and on and on and on and on. Thank you guys so much again. There were so many gifts. My husband at this point was still bringing in stuff from the vehicle. Thank you so much again, guys. Plus the Amazon packages on the right that we'll be going over real quick. She was just so excited and could not wait to jump into doing this. Again, I wish you guys could actually hear what she's saying, because she's just excited and she just keeps on going on. So here she's about to open her first gift. I will not be able to describe these gifts, like give the full description, because this was from one of her classmates, not on the wish list that I sent out, but she appreciated this as well. I think it was like so it's I don't know, some, what do you call these dolls again? But yeah, LOL dolls. That she got a crayon box and some LOL thingies, but she really loved them, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for whoever it is that sent these. Again, guys, it's kind of hard for me to say everything because I do not have other information and I cannot read my lips. So, but thank you guys so much. But this is another gift that was not on the wish list, but I remember exactly who this is from. This is from Uncle Danville. Thank you so much, Uncle Danville. And the reason why I remember this is because I fell in love with this. This is so nice. This is a bow and arrow shooting practice set, and she loved this so much. I love this so much. Like, we're having so much fun with this package. Thank you again, Uncle Danville. Big up yourself. As you can see, Tevania is in love with this Lilo and Stitch doll. I think it was from one of her friends from school as well, and she was just loving this. She was just dying with this. So, like, thank you so much. Again, I'm not remembering exactly who this was, but thank you, Tevania. Adore. She sleeps with this every single night. So, thank you again. As you can see, guys, she's very excited for this particular one. She was just going on and on. So it's actually a diary, a secret diary set, and she was loving the fact that it had the unicorn on it, the fluffiness of it, the color. She was loving it. So thank you so much. Not sure who this is from, but thank you so much again. This is another Barbie set, and to be honest, I think majority of her Barbie sets came from her grandma. So she's loving, she has the amount of Barbie set that Tevania has. Oh my god, Christmas is not even here yet. Okay, so yeah, Barbie set, I think this is from grandma. Thank you so much again. Thank you so much, grandma. Now this gift is from Tevania's classmate Olivia. She actually created a whole postcard for her, wrote everything. It is so cute. Tevania was so excited about this. And in this box, she actually has a kinetic sand scents ice cream treats play set, which she actually loves as well. So you can see how excited she is about this. Thank you so much again, Olivia, and her mom and dad. Thank you. And they did not stop there. They went ahead and get the squishy for Tevania. If you guys know Tevania, she loves plush toys. So this is a Squishmallow original 14-inch Reshma light pink cow with purple bandana. Tevania love this, and it is so soft. Again, another thing that she sleeps with every single night. So this is a Disney Encanto Magical Madrigal house playset with Maribel doll and 14 accessories. Tevania love this, and this is coming from her cousin EJ. So thank you so much again. And in this video, every single toy that she opens, every gift that she opens, she's telling you guys thank you. But unfortunately, you can't hear it. So I'm telling you thank you for her. But she loves this. Thank you guys so much. Thank you EJ. Big up yourself. Now this is actually a necklace with a unicorn pendant with T for Tevania on there, and this is coming from her brother TJ. She loves this so much as well. Thank you, TJ. These are a bunch of Play-Dohs and kinetic sand from her cousin Chance. Thank you so much, Chance. Now this is a VTech Rock and Bop music player, pink, from Auntie Kim all the way from Jamaica. So thank you, Auntie Kim. on the back taking out more clothes from grandma. Love you, mommy. I love you. Like Tevania has so much clothes, and I know me go shop a whole bunch of clothes the other day from Shein. But and Christmas she'll get more again. She'll get a whole bunch more on Christmas Day. Thank you again, mommy. Now we're into the Amazon box, and this is part one of my gift. This is a Razor V17 Youth Multisport helmet. She had a helmet before, but she grew it out. So this is a big girl helmet, and this is because she asked for an electric scooter. So I got her electric scooter plus her new helmet. So yeah. A Barbie toy car from Auntie Lorraine, and she says, enjoy your gifts, happy birthday my baby. I won't be able to make it to the party, but I hope you have a splendid day. Love you, Auntie Lorraine. This is from my girlfriend, and Tevania enjoyed everything as well. She loved it. She's here telling you thank you, Auntie Lorraine. So this is a gift from her daddy, from my husband, and this is actually a VTech Kitty Star DJ mixer. She loved everything about this because she loved to play music and everything like that. So she became mixer because she always played on her father own, so he got her own, and she loved this. Another Barbie doll. This is a Barbie doll fantasy dress up set with blonde fashion doll, and this is from my girlfriend at work, Ibeth, and she says, happy birthday Tevania, enjoy your day, from Ibeth, your mom's friend. So thank you, Ibeth, I appreciate you. This is a Barbie Club Chelsea toy car and camper playset, and this is coming from Auntie Shaku all the way from Jamaica. So thank you so much, Shaku. Big up yourself, aka Kian. I love you. Tevania appreciated this. Tevania loved this as well. So thank you so much. This one is from Auntie Ven. Thank you so much, Auntie Ven. It is a GKTZ Kids waterproof camera, underwater camera. For Tevania, she personally chose this. So thank you, Auntie Ven. The Amitai Lane Silly Scented Markers for Kids. And this is coming from my neighbor Doris, and her note says, happy birthday from the Battle family, from Doris and Raphael. Thank you so much, Doris. Thank you so much, Raphael. Tevania loves to color, so this is gonna do her well. This is another gift from Auntie Lorraine, and this time it is a Barbie doll, or Barbie dolls and 20 accessories. It takes 2 camping tent playset with Brooklyn and Malibu dolls and enough more things. So thank you again, Auntie Lorraine. Tevania, get up here, Barbie. Up here, Barbie. Guys, Mr. So when I look and see all these, I have to really go clean up because all it gives me what Tevania get. Like Mr. Salt, and those over there so are the ones that you'll be seeing this video. This is like an Amazon haul that I'll be doing, like a collective haul. But like a whole heap of things. So now I'm reach over to basically my section where she's gonna be opening the electrical scooter that I got her. This is the second half of her birthday gift from me. Guys, this was so big and so heavy, I had to call in for help. Like I could not do this by myself to lift this out. This is huge. This is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I eventually had to send this back and we purchased a different one for her because this is way too big. So I had to call in help. So yeah, so Troy's here trying to get this out because every bad man. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, comment on the comment section, and share. And until later, guys, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.